Have you ever pondered over the multitude of benefits that lemongrass citronella brings to the table? This hardy perennial plant, native to tropical regions, is not only a feast for the eyes, but also an essential ingredient in various culinary delights and a key component in natural remedies and pest control. Lemongrass citronella, also known as Cymbopogon nardus, is an aromatic wonder that waves its fragrant wand to keep mosquitoes and other unwanted insects at bay. Imagine a warm, balmy evening in your garden, undisturbed by pesky bugs thanks to the magic of this plant. Now, the million-dollar question is, how do you plant this wonder herb? Just follow these simple steps. Begin by selecting a well-drained location that receives ample sunlight, as this plant adores the sun. Dig a hole that is twice as wide and just as deep as the root ball of the plant. Place the plant in the hole, making sure that the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. Backfill the hole with soil and firm it gently around the base of the plant. Water it generously and continue to do so regularly, keeping the soil moist but not soggy. To promote a bushier growth, prune the tops of the lemongrass stalks when they reach about a foot tall. This will encourage the plant to grow more side shoots, resulting in a fuller plant. Lemongrass citronella is a low-maintenance plant, making it an ideal choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. It grows vigorously in the right conditions, providing you not only with a beautiful green display, but also an endless supply of citronella oil, which can be extracted from the leaves of the plant. The benefits of lemongrass citronella are manifold. It acts as a natural insect repellent, keeping your garden free of mosquitoes and other bugs. The citronella oil extracted from its leaves is used in aromatherapy to soothe the mind and body. It's also used in culinary preparations, adding a unique flavor to dishes. Moreover, it has medicinal properties and is used in traditional remedies for various ailments. So why should you have lemongrass citronella in your garden? Besides its aesthetic appeal, it's a natural pest deterrent, a source of essential oil, and a culinary and medicinal herb. It adds an exotic touch to your garden, while also serving practical purposes. In conclusion, lemongrass citronella is a multifaceted marvel that deserves a spot in every garden. Its benefits far outweigh the minimal effort required to grow it. So why not make some room for this plant in your garden and reap the rewards it has to offer? Remember, each plant in your garden has a story to tell, and lemongrass citronella has a rather fascinating one. So go ahead, plant it, nurture it, and let it narrate its tale to you.